Welcome aboard! Whether you're a student, parent, driver, or nanny, bus safety is important for everyone. Let's go over some essential bus safety tips to keep you and others safe. First, always wait for the bus to come to a complete stop before approaching. Form a line and avoid pushing or shoving. Once on the bus, find a seat quickly and sit facing forward. Keep the aisle clear of bags and feet to avoid tripping hazards. Make sure to always buckle up your seatbelt. Seatbelts save lives and keep you secure in your seat. While the bus is moving, remain seated and avoid distracting the driver. Loud noises and sudden movements can cause accidents. Sometimes emergencies happen. If you find yourself alone on the bus and the doors are closed, here's what you should do. Step 1. Check if the bus door is open. If it is, escape immediately. Step 2. If the door is locked, move to the front of the bus into the driver's position and continuously press the horn to attract attention. Step 3. Turn on the red triangular hazard emergency light and keep honking the horn to alert people nearby. Step 4. Go to the front window and wave to attract the attention of people outside. Step 5. If all else fails, use the emergency hammer hanging on the window to break the glass and escape safely. Knowing these steps can help you stay safe in an emergency. Remember, stay calm and follow these instructions. Thank you for watching and have a safe trip.